Hey, so I've just figured out you might not really understand how does the anchor point feature works in Filmora. So I have decided to explain it as I demonstrate while creating these 3 simple animations here. Hey everyone, this is Filmora Focus. Well, relax and enjoy the episode as we start. To make it easy to understand for you, this refers to a process whereby you select a particular portion in your frame or on your element or whatever that you may be animating, and that particular portion may remain constant while the rest of the frame is animating. Now that you have that background information, when you go to the Transform tab right here, you see Scale, Position, Path Curve, and just below the path curve is the anchor point. And when you look on your preview screen right on the center, you are going to see this little dot right here, which represents the anchor point. Now, when you move around the X and the Y on the Transform tab, this little dot here is going to move around according to the way you are transforming it. Well, for our very first animation right here, we are going to move this little dot here right into the right corner here. And right now you can add a keyframe on the transform here. And then after a few frames, you can adjust the rotation like this. And now you can select all these keyframes and then use the ease in and the ease out. And when you preview, this is how it looks like. So it all depends with the position that you are going to place the anchor point. For example, here is our second animation. This time around, I want to animate this wheel as if it's driving forward, right? So this time around, I'm going to make sure that I put my anchor point right on the middle here, right? You can use the values to be more accurate. And then again, I add the transform keyframe. After a certain duration, I can adjust my rotation like this. And again, right select the first keyframe, ease out, and then the last keyframe, ease in. You can play around with the graph here for unique customizations. And now this is how it looks like. It's cool, right?
Capcut stumbles trying to race, but Filmora's strides are full of grace. With AI cutouts and keyframe finesse, Capcut's confusion feels like a mess. Enhanced audio noise no more. Filmora opens every door.
Well, here's the last, but yet not the least animation to make sure that you really understand how does the anchor point work. Well, this time around, I've got this brother here who is hanging on a rope. All right, move the anchor point to the top area, and then make sure that you navigate on the exact point that you want for perfect results. Again, add the keyframe as usual. This time around, you may need more keyframes than the last 2 animations we had. After a few keyframes, move the rotation like this, way up. After another keyframe, move in the opposite direction, and I repeat the process until I feel it's long enough. Now this time around, I'm going to right-select any of the keyframes, and then use this option right here to select all keyframes. Again, right-select one of the selected keyframes, and then use this option right here, which is the Bezier curve, and then this time around, use the continuous curve, and there you go. Well, thanks for watching this episode to this very point. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and subscribe to the channel. Until I meet you to the next episode right there, peace.
Capcut stumbles trying to race, but Filmora's strides are full of grace.